Hi loves, and welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so very much, and to my day one, you're welcome once again. So today I'm going to unbox my TEMU, my first ever order from TEMU. That's because my colleague did order TEMU and they kind of received their order in 2 weeks, and I was like, why not, let me try. I'm not saying that I've never had TEMU stuff. I was a lucky winner for the free gift. I might say that the free gift that I received didn't have the best quality, but then again, as like they are free items, so you shouldn't expect them to be in the best of qualities. So it's like, okay, let me now try to order with my own money. So let's see. And this time around I was like, okay, since Shein is showing us films with customs, let me try with TEMU. And I'm gonna say that the experience with TEMU wasn't that really exciting. I think it was the delivery agency that I used, or maybe that TEMU chose for me, that was a bit slow, I might say, because it took me almost like 3 weeks to get my stuff, like going to a month. The gentleman who delivered was really kind, because I remember putting my residential address because I was expecting them in 2 weeks, and I was like, around this day I'm gonna be home. Unfortunately, I wasn't home, and the gentleman was really patient, so I kept asking him to please wait, I'm sending someone, and I would call him again a few minutes later. I'm like, okay, please be patient with me, I'm sending someone to come and collect this stuff for me. And he's like, no, sure, cool, no problem. So that's one of the pros that I got from TEMU. I placed my order on the 31st of October, and I only received my order on the 18th of November, which is roughly like 3 weeks. Still fine, because it arrived exactly at the date that they suggested. So the delivery time span that they gave me, it was between 8th to 18th of November, and fortunately I received on the very last day of the time frame that I was given. But yeah, I kind of ordered like 10 items, and then the total amount was 467 rent, and my custom fee was, how do I see what I paid for custom? So I'll find my custom fee and I will put it somewhere here. But my custom fee was 55 rands, so which is also fair enough. Without taking much of your time, let's get right in, because this unboxing has been long overdue. Even myself, sometimes I was like, damn, I remember ordering this one, but can I use this? I was like, no, let me first unbox, and then I want to see a reaction. So okay, this is the package. Let's open together. This is the shoulder bag. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. I don't know what to expect, but let's have the first reaction together. Okay. All right. So I think I had this one on my previous spring summer wish list. So I kind of inserted this shoulder bag, and I think on the website the fabric kind of shows it to be very rich, but as I feel it in person, it's not really the best quality. But let's wait and see. I don't want to be too pessimistic, but let's see how it works as soon as I put stuff in. The inside is quite spacious, and it also has a zip, which is a plus, so at least you can keep your stuff in here. You can put your stuff in here and then you zip, so it's safe. But otherwise, the stripes don't really give me a lasting vibe, but we will see. Maybe I should be carrying heavy stuff in here. And even if you have, I don't think if you have a laptop you should be carrying it here. I think that's why we also have laptop bags, so I can only maybe carry my tablet in here and other light stuff. So yeah, that's it. So the second item is this pack of 50 hair bands that, I don't know if you can see. So it's 50 hair bands because we all don't know, we're guilty of this one. We don't know how we lose this stuff. So I was like, this time around, let me get me some 50 and see how they last, because at some point you might be having 10 of them, 15, whatever the number is, but at some point they will all disappear. So this time I was like, no, let me just order 50, and I think this one they will last me. They're quite small, but yeah, we will see. And I think I can start by, the quality is not that, you know, good, but I think I got what I paid for, so that's it. Up next is this makeup brush. That's, by the way, on the website it kind of showed me that it was quite big, but seeing it in person is really small. This is a foundation brush, so I cannot wait to maybe I'll do some makeup tutorial and, you know, try it, but so far it's not that dense. We will see, we will see. I don't know how I feel about it, but anyways. All right, up next are these two rings. So I thought I actually ordered a bracelet, but to my surprise, yes, I thought it was a bracelet. To my surprise, they came in as rings. I think I did not read the descriptions. So I was so excited. I was like, well, I can't wait to get my bracelet. But guess what? They are rings. I just hope they will, you know, they won't fade or they won't tarnish. So this is the ring. I don't know if you can see. So there we go. It's really cute. I kind of like this design here. It kind of has some pearls here. Okay, let me see if it will fit. Ooh, so I went with size 6, and I think it's just perfect. Oh, I like it. I like love it. So up next, I think this is a concealer brush as well. Concealer brush. This is the only one that doesn't disappoint because it looks exactly how it was, you know, presented on the website. So there's not much of a difference. And I cannot also wait to use this brush because I feel like I was so tired of sponges, especially when you want to go by the corner here. It wasn't really easy with a sponge, but I feel like this brush is the perfect size for that, and I cannot wait to see how it blends the concealer and, you know, yeah. Up next, I think these ones are lens covers. Yeah, they are lens covers. Okay, they are lens covers, so I did order them because my lens, I thought I ordered 2, but I got 3, and it comes in with a dry and wet wipes, which is good. I think this is the first item that I received, and I'm kind of, you know, satisfied with it, but I'm not gonna say that I'm fully satisfied until I see it on my phone and see how, you know, it works. But so far I feel like this is the first satisfying item that I receive. But yeah, up next, I don't even know what is this in here, because I remember I did place orders. Oh my goodness, this is the mirror. Look at how cute and small it is, but on the website it kind of showed me some, you know, medium kind of size, but oh my goodness. Okay, I hope this is really okay. I really like how cute and minimal it is, so you can literally fit this one in your purse. Okay. So it has like two sides, so you can see yourself here and here. So I think I like it. I like it for my purse, and I hope the quality is good because the way it feels in my hand, I don't know, but yeah, I also like the color, you know. This is it. Really beautiful. Up next, this is hair wash brush, you know. So because I was so tired of using like my hand when I'm scribing, so I feel like this one is gonna be very perfect to scrub all the dandruff and stuff. And it feels so soft. It's silicone like, so it's gonna be so easy for me to just, you know, scrub, go through my hair with it when I'm washing my. They say it's hair scalp. Okay, I will insert it sometimes. So they say it's a hair scalp massager for hair care. So this one, I think it's gonna be working for me, especially when I'm washing my hair, because sometimes I struggle and I feel like I'm not removing all, you know, the dirt with just my hand. So this one is gonna help me to go deep down and get to my scalp, you know, easily. And then up next, oh my goodness, I really don't know what I was ordering. I really don't know. Some of the things are funny. So I did order this one. So they say it's 3-in-1. We say 3-in-1 handheld glass wiper. I don't know. I think I will use this one to like clean my mirror. I don't know. I don't know how it feels. I still don't know how to use this one, but anyways, this is how it looks. So I suppose this is the part that you'll be like going in motions when wiping your mirror. And I don't know what is this sponge used for, but I will see as time goes by. Oh, okay, so this is 3-in-1. I think this is, so you kind of put this one here, okay, so that when you washing, you just kind of like hold it from this part here. Okay, now it makes sense. And you can still use this one. What is this one for? It's like a spray, so you can still use this one for what I see. So you put this one. Ooh, that's genius. So you put water in here, you know, when you're cleaning the mirror, and then you're gonna use this one as a spray to just spray any glass space that you're cleaning, and then you cover again and you go back in here, and then you continue doing what you're doing. It's very actually smart. No, it's not actually that way. I think this is the spray pen, so like this can be a holder, and then again the same holder is carrying water that you're gonna be spraying on the surface to clean it, and then you spray from here. It's like you just hold it here and then you spray, and then you go back, and then you, damn, this is so amazing. This is awesome. I think I'm also satisfied. So I think I'm also satisfied with this order. Definitely worth it. And so I think that's all. So I'm gonna rate my 3 top items that I'm so satisfied with, and I think I will order again, but I'm gonna wait for a few days for me to order. So first of all, I am very satisfied with this ring. It's 2 of them, you can see. I went with size 6 and they fit me perfect. a bit tight in this hand because I know this one is quite bigger than this hand. So far I can wear them in my ring finger, as you can see here. I think size 6 is perfect for my ring finger and my index. So far satisfied with this one, and I would order it again in silver, but first I need to wear this one for a week and see how the quality is, if it's lasting. And then, but I think it's non-tarnishing, so I will see after a week what happens, and then I will get back again and order the silver ones. And I'm also satisfied with this brush. I think this is what I was expecting, even though I haven't done any makeup tutorial to actually see the finished product, but I'm so happy with this one as well. And finally, the lenses. Those are the 3 items that I'm really satisfied with. I do not regret ordering them. And for the rest, I think I will see as time goes by. You can't really give a definite review now until maybe you use it and you see how it lasts. But I'm gonna be honest with you, the quality here is not the best. It's really not the best. So I think I'm gonna stick with some other yeah, but yeah, that's it. Are these all 10 items? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So alright, so that's it, guys. These are all the 10 items that I ordered, and I think I will give TEMU another try because I just don't give up easily. So I'm gonna give it another try, especially for these rings. I think I'm gonna go back and see, and hopefully they're not gonna disappoint me. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next. Bye.